These are 10 easy, useful phrases and idioms for motivation in English. These phrases are about feeling confident in yourself. You can do it. You can do it. You can do hard things. You can do hard things. You've got this. You've got this. You're capable. You're capable. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. All right, that's very loud. Is that loud? These phrases mean continue even when it's difficult. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep it up. Keep it up. Just keep going. Just keep going. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Don't give up. Don't give up. Hang in there. Hang in there. My name is Jade. This is Mind Body English. Thank you for watching. Please watch my other videos here and like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Stay motivated. You can do this. Bye.